concept of benchmarking is something that we tend to hear in a lot of other industries, and it's really important to us. But if we really think about what benchmarking is, in property management and managing assets, really it's about how do we know what we're performing well and how do we know what we're performing poorly? Because right now we've all got our own ideas, but ultimately the scorecard is the competitor or somebody managing the same asset or similar assets. So the importance of benchmarking is not only should you as an organization absolutely know where the weak spots, where the landmines, where the holes are in the organization, but two, if you're thinking about being competitive, growing your business, hanging on to your customers, hanging on to your investors, you need to know what the next best option is. And the ability to have a sense of that is really important, especially in a dynamic environment, inflation environment, a seasonality environment. You need to know what the next best person is doing in order to remain competitive.